The Australian government has required gateway airports like Brisbane Airport to put in new screening equipment that has better detection capability and provides a better security outcome. If you think of it as two cars, one is the old style Kingswood and the new CT machine is the Ferrari of screening. So the major benefits for passengers is at the moment they have to pull items out of their bag and put it in separate trays. The new machinery will mean they don't have to do that. They can leave the items in their bag, put their bag on the conveyor belt and then their bag's analysed through the X-ray and then put out the other end in one piece. The body scanners now will cover a greater range of items. So that just means that the process will be less intrusive and quicker for you to be processed. The end goal for Brisbane Airport and the Australian Government is to ensure that everyone that travels through has been screened and cleared to the highest standard. We all want to travel safe and secure everywhere around the world, and the aim here is to ensure that the technology provides that for all of us.